Tanuja Patania and welcome back to my channel Amit and World. In this video we are going to learn about the poem The Road Not Taken. Let's start the video with an introduction of the poem. The Road Not Taken is a well-known poem about making choices in our life and the choices that shape us and our future. This poem is written by an American poet Robert Frost. In this poem, the road symbolizes our life and the road not taken symbolizes the path that we don't choose in our life. The path which we have chosen decides our future. The poet conveys a very valuable message that the choices we make influence our future because if we make the wrong choice, then we can't go back and correct it. We will have no option other than regretting it. So, we should be wise enough while making a decision or choice in our life. The choice we make ultimately shape us or our future. Stanza 1 of the poem is: Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I couldn't travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it went in the undergrowth. Important phrases mentioned in this stanza are diverged, means separated and took a different direction. A yellow wood means a forest in autumn. Undergrowth means dense growth of shrubs and other plants. Explanation of this stanza is: once the poet was walking down a road and then there was a diversion where two roads diverged in different directions and he has to make one decision and must choose a single path. He feels sorry as being one traveler, he can't travel on both the roads. At the junction, the poet stood for a long time and tried to look at the roads as far as he could. But he couldn't see anything beyond the diversion as the roads were curved and covered with the trees. It also happens in our life when we have different options, but we have to choose only one out of them. In such a situation, we will not hurry in making the decision. We should consider every aspect and only then we should take a decision. Stanza 2 of the poem is: Then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Important phrases mentioned in this stanza are: fair means as good as the other one. Claim means better option. Grassy means unused. Wanted wear means hadn't been used. Passing there means walking on the road. Explanation of this stanza is: after taking a long time, the poet decided to take the other road. He thought that both the roads were equally good. He started walking on the road which has grass on it and thinks that it was a better road for him. After walking some distance on the road, the poet feels that both the paths were almost the same. There was no difference between them. Both the paths were similar and worn out. Even in our life, whatever decision we take, each choice has some pros and cons. Problems are everywhere, so we must face them. We think that we are choosing a better option, but it's not that way. Stanza 3 of the poem is: And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Important phrases mentioned in this stanza are: trodden means trampled or worn down underfoot. How way leads on to way means every way leads on to some other way. Explanation of this stanza is the poet says that both the paths were similar that morning. Leaves were shed on both the roads and they were still green. It means no one had walked on both the roads. He decided to take one path that day and the other path on another day. However, he knows very well that one way leads to another way. He couldn't go back and take the other path once he moved ahead with one. Similarly, in our life, once we make a choice, we must keep on moving ahead with that choice because we never get a chance to go back and take the other option that we had left earlier. Stanza 4 of the poem is I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Important phrases mentioned in this stanza are sigh means deep breath. Hence, here it means in the future. Explanation of this stanza is the poet says that in the future he will take a deep breath and say that once upon a time he reached a point in life where he had to make one choice. There were two options for him and he had to opt for one. At that time, he decided to take that road which was travelled by lesser number of people. It means that he took that decision which rare people take, and that decision has changed his entire life. The poet conveys the message that people should be wise and careful while making decision in their life because the decision they make today will have an impact on the rest of their life. With this, I am completing the video. Please like and share the video. Also subscribe the channel for later updates. Thank you.